National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grenville County in northeast Illinois, Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, southern Kendall County in northeast Illinois, east central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, Will County in northeast Illinois, west central Lake County in northwest Indiana until 11 o'clock p.m. At 9:56 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 5 miles southeast of Yorkville to 6 miles southeast of Newark to Sarina and moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Shorewood and Minooka around 10:10 p.m. Rockdale, Joliet, Morris and Channahon around 10:15 p.m. Ingalls Park, New Lenox and Elwood around 10:20 p.m. Manhattan and Coal City around 10:25 p.m. Braceville, Diamond and Braidwood around 10:30 p.m. Wilmington around 10:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Crystal Lawns, Crest Hill, Preston Heights, Simmerton, Carbon Hill, Gutley, Onfield and Sun River Terrace. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.